you so much.
What are you going to say to Daddy on your video?
You're my sun, my moon, and my stars, and my ocean, and my heart, and my soul, and I love you.
What else do you want to tell Daddy?
I love you.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi, Dad.
Do you want to say, how was your day, Dad?
How's your day, Dad?
What else do you want to say?
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Okay, say bye, Dad.
Bye, Dad.
Can you wave?
And
Do you want to give a kiss? Kiss right there. Okay. Now what? Do you want to show Mama? Okay. Do you see me?
You tell your mama.
I tell my mama what?
You tell your mama that you love you.
Oh, I love my mama. Can I tell Daddy something?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Daddy. I love you. It's like 9 o'clock and Jude is not in bed yet. I don't know why. And it's time for us to go to bed, and hopefully we can FaceTime with you later. I love you. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.